Selecting objects in pCon.planner. Objects in pCon.planner can be selected in various ways. To select an individual object, left-click on the desired model. Here you can see that the model is marked by a green outline. Several objects can be selected in different ways. By holding down the Control key, an object can be added or removed from the current selection. When you drag the mouse from left to right, while holding the mouse button, a red area is highlighted. All objects that are completely inside the area will be selected. When you drag the mouse from right to left, a green area is shown. The objects that are cut by the green line will be selected. The current selection is inverted with Ctrl+I. This means that all other objects are selected and the current selection is cancelled. It is also possible to select all objects in the planning with the key combination Ctrl+A, or to cancel the current selection with the Escape key. You can find more information in the Help Center and on our YouTube channel.